A very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. So, I welcome you in today's EVS class. Today's date is 27th of September 2021 and day is Monday. Children, as we are studying about plants around us, and this is chapter 7. So, in this chapter, today we are going to learn about things that plant needs to grow. And after that, we will do one activity on it. So let's begin. So children, first we will learn about things that a plant needs to grow. So children, first thing that we need to grow a plant is soil. Soil provides the nutrient that plants need to grow. Next thing the plant needs to grow is water. Water transport nutrients present in the soil are carried by roots into the plant so that it can live and grow. Children, next thing that plants need to grow is sunlight. From sunlight, plant gets energy and warmth. Next important thing that plants need to grow is air. Like us, plants also needs air for their growth. Plants take carbon dioxide gas from air and use it for making its food and release oxygen gas into the air. So children, what are the different things that a plant needs to grow? So these things are sunlight, air, water and soil. Again repeat with me. Sunlight, air, water and soil. Now children, it's time to do an activity. So let's start. Okay children, so for this activity, what are the different things that we need? So first of all, we need one A4 size sheet. Here I am using pink color A4 size sheet. You can use any colored A4 size sheet. After this, I have prepared some cutout. Like this is one cutout, leaf cutout. This is soil cutout. This is I have made here sun cutout, and for this I have used golden glitter sheet. This is one flower I have cut with this color sheet, and this is cloud. So for this activity I have prepared these cutout, and I'm using Fevicol for pasting it on this sheet. So let's begin. So first arrange this A4 size sheet, and one by one we are going to paste these cutout on this sheet. So this is with this brown sheet I'm going to show soil. So first of all I am applying Fevicol. So apply Fevicol and paste it at the bottom of this sheet. Then take this strip. With this strip I am showing stem, so I am pasting it here, and then I am taking flower and here I am pasting some glue on it, and at the top of this stem I am pasting flower. And here I have taken leaf, so here I am applying glue and pasting leaves. One leaf I have pasted, and here I have pasted another leaf. Now the next is sun. So again applying glue on this and pasting at top one side, and here taking cutout of cloud and pasting here again at top of my page, and with blue crayon I am just showing raindrops. So children, with this activity we are doing revision of things that a plant need to grow. So I am going to paste its name. So first of all, soil. So here I am pasting soil. Then water. So here I am pasting water. Then sunlight. So here I am pasting sunlight. And air. So here I am pasting air. So a plant needs sunlight, water, air and soil for its growth. Children, if you don't have all these material at your home, so don't worry, you can show this activity with drawing and coloring. Draw soil, then a plant with leaves and flower, then draw a sun, cloud, raindrops, and then fill colors. And after filling colors, then write down the names of things that a plant needs to grow, like soil, air, water, sunlight. And after completion of your activity, click photo and share it with your teacher. This is all for today's EVS class. It's time to say bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Enjoy learning. Bye-bye, children.